Welcome to day 10 of the Advent Challenge. Today's prompt is stillness. What happens when you pause and breathe? I find doodling and painting in a sketchbook like this so relaxing. It's almost like it helps my mind to be still. And that's why I'm doing this spread today. There's no pressure to create anything perfect. It's just adding a little bit of paint and then a few doodles on top of it. And that for me creates the stillness that I need to regenerate. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this little art journal spread today. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye.